everyone, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for taking a minute and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make sous vide pork tenderloin. Now this is a super easy recipe and one I would highly recommend if you're brand new to sous vide cooking. Maybe you just got your first sous vide circulator and you're looking to try something that's going to blow you away. This is the recipe for you. The reason why I really like to sous vide pork is because pork is one of those meats that usually gets overcooked because people are so paranoid about serving undercooked pork and getting sick. And when you overcook it, it takes all the juiciness out of the meat, it dries it out, and it loses a lot of its flavor. And this is where sous vide cooking really shines, because you can cook it at a lower temperature and it'll maintain its juiciness and it'll be packed full of flavor. Try it yourself, you won't be disappointed. So, like I said, super easy. I got two ingredients here, okay? I got a couple of pork tenderloins that I picked up at the store, and then seasoning. Now what I'm using right here is the wild mushroom seasoning from Vacmaster. I'll leave a link below as well as a discount code if you want to pick up some of their seasonings as well as their vacuum sealers or the sous vide machine I'm going to be using today, the SV10. You can get a discount on one of those as well. But you don't have to use a pre-bought, pre-packaged seasoning. You can just season it with salt and pepper. You know, you can add a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder, rosemary, thyme. Be creative. You can make an easy, basic rub. You don't have to buy one in the store, but I'm kind of excited to try this wild mushroom out. I've tried a couple of their other seasonings, and I've been pretty impressed. So anyway, stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so as you see, I took it out of the package. I did trim off some of the fat, although there's not much on pork tenderloin, and a little bit of the silver skin, but of course you can leave a little bit on there. You don't have to get too paranoid about that. And like I mentioned earlier, this is the wild mushroom seasoning from Vacmaster. So you know how this is. This isn't very complicated. We're just going to apply a nice dose of rub on all sides, and then I'm going to vacuum seal these. And I'm going to finish this off. I was debating whether I wanted to do it on my grill, but I think I'm just going to do it in a frying pan. And since these are so long, I think I'm going to cut them right in half here before I vacuum seal them, because half this can easily fit in the frying pan. In fact, I can probably fit both of these if they're cut in half into the frying pan. So just like so, you know how it is. We're just going to apply that rub. And then we're going to vacuum seal it. So I'm going to continue to do this. I'll vacuum seal this and I'll be back in 1 minute. Alright guys, I have my Vacmaster SV10 heated up to 142 degrees. This is going to cook it perfect. Now it's still going to be medium cooked, but we are going to saute it for a couple minutes in a hot frying pan with some oil and some butter just to kind of get it nice and brown when it's done. So it's probably going to get up in the 144, 145 degree range when we're all done. But we're going to cook this for a minimum of an hour and a half. You can go all the way up to 4 hours, okay? And I did cut them in half, and as you can see, vacuum sealed them in some bags. So now I'm just going to put them in here. I got a little rack on the bottom. I'll put one on this side. I'll clamp it down. And we'll take the other one on the other side here. Yeah, these sink pretty well. And that's it. It's still a little bit early, so I'm going to do it for 3 hours. Alright, beverage review time. I'm trying BJ's Committed Double IPA. For those of you who don't know, BJ's is a pizza place. It's a chain out here. And they started delivering 6-packs with food. So that's why I have this. 8.6% alcohol. Yeah, that's what I'm having. This is my son Kyle and my daughter Ava Grace.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Ava Grace is going to be trying something brand new. This is Minute Maid Plus antioxidants, tropical lemonade. Wow, that sounds good. And then my son Kyle, he's going to be having also a kind of lemonade, but this is lemonade. What does it say? A taste worth standing in line for. And I was trying to tell him about Lenin and Russia and the whole thing. The hammer sickle there. So that's kind of cool. So that's what he's going to be having. So now we'll all try this together. All right, so this is your tropical lemonade with antioxidants. That sounds interesting. Put a little there. Here, Kyle, let me open yours. You can pour it. Your lemonade. Okay.
It smells like lemonade.
And let me make sure this is on tight for Ava Grace. It's got a screw-on cap. And then I'm going to have the BJ's Committed Double IPA. Alright.
Pouring all of it. Oh, what am I supposed to do?
Yeah, he pours all of it. He can drink it all.
Well, I mean, what am I supposed to do? Pour like a sip?
Well,
Of course I'm pouring all of it.
Alright,
Pour
guys.
half of it.
Everyone grab their glasses. Let's do a cheers. Come on, do a cheers. Grab your glass. Cheers. Cheers. As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. Thank you very much. I can smell hops. Ooh, it's a little bit strong. There's definitely some fruit presence there. With a hoppy kind of aftertaste, but it's good. Does it say what's in there? I definitely taste some fruit, but it is definitely hoppy. Okay, how about yours, Ava Grace? You're having the Minute Maid Plus Tropical Lemonade. How's it taste? Look at the camera and tell them what you think.
It's really lemony.
It's really lemony?
Lemony.
Yeah?
That's what lemonade tastes like.
Alright, and what about you, Kyle?
It tastes fruity.
Fruity? Does it taste like lemonade?
Mine tastes fruity too.
Yeah? Wow. Is that something you would drink again?
Yeah.
Alright, what about you,
It
Kyle?
tastes more like fruit punch.
I never knew it was.
I just noticed on here it says real soda. I'm thinking, well, what else is it? Fake soda?
Well, you know what it tastes like to me? Grapefruit. It's got a little bit of kind of a soury grapefruit. What do you think?
I think it has a little bit
Yeah, that is actually really good.
I think it has a little bit of pineapple in it.
Oh, yours does?
Yeah.
Oh, well there you go. Hey.
See? Pineapple.
Oh, they have a picture of pineapple on the cover.
Oh yeah, that's how I think it has pineapple.
Let's see if it has pineapple.
Lemon,
Looks just
apple,
like it has
mango. Yeah, pineapple.
Orange and pineapple, hey. Good job, Ava Grace.
It was like, I think it has pure filtered water, sugar, lemon and apple juices from concentrate, clarified mango juice from concentrate,
don't be
orange and pineapple juices from concentrate, less than 0.5% of natural flavors, vitamin A, beta-carotene,
Alright.
vitamin E, alpha, blah, blah.
Yeah, whatever. Now you're getting to the things you can't pronounce. All right, everyone, let's do another cheers.
Cheers, you.
Let's look at the camera. Let's say
yeah,
cheers
I
to the
wonder.
camera and to our viewers. Cheers.
Cheers to our camera and our
Cheers.
viewers.
And our viewers, yes.
Cheers, commenters too.
All right, guys, we're going to enjoy our drinks. We got 2 hours and 41 minutes. We'll be back, and we'll be trying this delicious pork tenderloin shortly. See you in a little bit. All right, it's just about 3 hours. These are done, so I'm going to stop this. We're going to take these out, dry them off real good, and into a really hot frying pan to kind of sear for a couple minutes. Let me cut these open. We'll be back in 1 second. All right, you just want to lay them out on some paper towels, and then you want to kind of blot them off and get them nice and dry, because you're not going to be able to take on a good sear unless they're nice and dry. Alright, so I got some oil heated up in a frying pan here on kind of medium-high heat. We're just going to saute these and brown these for a little bit on both sides. Look at that. See, I had to cut them in smaller pieces. It's a tight squeeze, but it'll work. Alright, we'll be back in a second. Alright, so these have been sauteing here for around 70 seconds, I think. Whoops. Oh yeah, here we go. At this time, I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Let's see here. There we go. We'll get this coated. We'll saute this a little longer. We'll be back in a second. Alright. This is pretty much done. Turn the heat off. We'll slice into this in just a second. Alright, so here we are. Let me slice into one here. Gotta see what we're looking at here. Oh, man. It smells really good. You can see there. Perfect medium. Alright, here you are. I just sliced it up. Just wanted to give you guys a look. It does look a little pink, but rest assured it is cooked perfectly. Very juicy. Man, we've had a couple little pieces, very good. We'll get the family out here, try this in just a second. Hey everyone, we're back. I'm here with my wife Monica, my son Kyle, my mom. We're ready to sample this. You guys ready?
Oh, I'm so ready because it smells delicious.
I just spent the last 5 minutes trying to tell my mom, even though the pork looks pink in the middle, it's perfectly cooked because of sous vide. And some people, as it's sit out here on the cutting board for a few minutes and kind of been exposed to oxygen, you can see the pink in the meat more so than when you first slice it.
Very good.
Oh,
Yeah, so what do you guys think?
No, that's delicious.
Yes, it is.
Wow. That has a lot of flavor.
You
Oh
notice,
my god.
you notice how it isn't as dried out as normal pork?
We always know something's good. Look at him.
Yeah, because Kyle's picky on meat and he's like, oh.
Yeah, he is picky. He normally doesn't like a lot of meat, but
Wow.
what do you guys think?
No, that's delicious.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, this has to be one in the top.
So
In
what
my
do you
top.
what do you think of the seasoning?
No, it's really
That's the
good.
wild mushroom.
I like it a lot.
That's good.
It's different than what I'm used to, I guess, and that's what I like. It's like
It's not too spicy, but it's got a nice flavor.
it's got a little bit of a kick, but it's got a lot of mushroom flavor. I really like this seasoning a lot, and it's not too salty. Some seasonings they feel they gotta add too much salt to make it yummy.
What do you think, Kyle?
You hear me?
Yeah, hang on.
He loves it.
Look at Kyle with the big
Look at him wolfing it in.
But it's not too salty.
Take it easy.
I like it. Wow, really? Okay, well there you go.
That's good stuff right
Yeah.
there.
Just look
Right
at the
there.
boy.
The boy doesn't eat a lot of meat
No, he doesn't.
unless it's really good.
So, hey,
I
like
mean,
I said,
I must say
if you
thank you.
just got a sous vide machine, you're looking for something to try for your very first time, get a pork tenderloin. You saw how easy it was. Season it just with salt, pepper, or a rub of your choice. Yeah, man, everyone's going to be super impressed, right?
Yeah.
Very good.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll leave a link above to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. We'll see you next time.
I know, we're all fighting for it. It's really good. Oh my gosh. We gotta hurry before there's not
Bye.
anything left.
Yeah, just almost.
Stop. This is good. Oh my gosh.
Now, take it easy. What's he doing?
Wolfing it in.
Wolfing it in like there's no one's... You're going to get sick. Take it easy.
No. No, none of that good stuff.
Wow.
It's, what is it, filet mignon and a pork?
Yeah,
No, yeah, I guess you could call it
it
that.
is.
Pork tenderloin is kind
It
of
is.
like that.
It's so good. Come on, let's get your food.
Filet mignon and pork.
That is delicious,
That's
Eric.
what pork
That
tenderloin
is really, really good. I'm not joking. That is amazing.
It is good.
Amazing.